guys, how's it going? So in this video I want to talk about the AirPods 3s. It's been a while since they've came out and I have formulated my opinions on it. So I own the standard normal AirPods, but I don't have them anymore. I have the AirPods Pros, which I keep in this case, as well as the AirPods Maxes, which you can see behind me over there. So with that said, which AirPod do you buy? So my friend owns the AirPods 3s, and from my personal experience, it's just right in the middle ground between the AirPods 2s and the AirPods Pros, which I think is very good. But that raises the question, because there's so many different options. Do you get the AirPods 2s, the AirPods Pros, AirPods 3s, or AirPods Maxes? Let me just take out the AirPods Maxes. That's not even part of AirPods. It's over-ear headphones. And if you're looking for over-ear headphones, you know you're looking for AirPods Maxes. So first, we're taking that out of the equation. However, we're adding two new headphones into the equation. Beats, owned by Apple, are also releasing a lot of their headphones to compete with AirPods because Apple wants to give you choice, or the illusion of choice. So there's the Beats Studio Buds and the Beats Fit Pro, which I have not tried, but based on the videos I've seen of them, they're really good. Or at least for the price, they're really good. I'm not going to be talking too much about them just simply because I have no idea how they actually sound, or I don't have my personal experiences with them because I have not tried them. I have used the Powerbeats Pro and they were pretty good, except those were kind of old and I don't think Beats even sells them anymore. If you want to get them, you have to get them secondhand, which headphones and secondhand, that's just something most people don't want to get into. Either way, keep those two in the back of your mind. So here, with the AirPods 2s, the AirPods Pros, and AirPods 3s, which one should you get? If you're asking me, I would say either don't get any of them, or get either the 3 or the Pros. I would leave out the 2 just because it's older and the battery life isn't as good, and so on. Well, the Pros have the worst battery life, but the 2s are missing features like the new design, which I think is a lot better and fits more people's ears. Also, most people have like normal AirPods, or so AirPods 1s or 2s, so if you're getting them now, they're going to be pretty outdated very soon. So I don't recommend you getting the 2s, which narrows it down to between the 3s and the Pros. However, there's actually another option too. I'm sorry, I keep just bringing in external factors, but it's important to understand. The Pros have been out for a while, and with Apple's refresh to the 2s becoming the 3s, Apple is definitely going to refresh the Pros very, very soon. So with that, I think it's pretty clear that within the next 3-4 months, the new versions of the Pros will come out. And that will definitely blow the Pros and the 3s out of the park. If you need headphones right now, I would say go for the one that fits your budget most. The 3s are only $179, so it's a lot more accessible for most people. If that's all you have, then yeah, definitely go for the 3s. But the Pros still have better sound quality, and I just think the Pros are better because of the ear tips. Some people disagree, but for me, I would go for the Pros. The 3s are amazing though, so whichever you choose, there's no wrong choices. That's assuming you're not going to wait for the Pro 2, or I don't know whether I'm going to go, but that's assuming you're not going to go for the Pro 2. With the new Pros coming out very soon, I would actually wait for the new Pros. A lot more features are coming to the new Pros, even health monitoring features. Of course, it would sound better, it would have better battery life, and just a lot more features in general. Overall, go for the 3 or the Pro right now, or you should wait for the Pro 2s. Thanks for watching this video. I just want to keep it short. Hopefully it's pretty short. And I hope I have helped you decide which pair of AirPods do you get. For me, Pros or Pro 2s. So, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Also, click on something on the screen right now, of course. Watch more of my videos. I need watch time. Why are you still here? Go away.